Hey everyone! For this video, I'll teach you how to find digital codes on Amazon. With this tutorial, you will be able to get free digital codes like this one. The first step is either opening the Amazon app or going to the website. All you have to do is just tap on your profile. And then after that, tap on Your Orders and you will see a button that says Filter. So just tap on Filter. Filter basically organizes your orders into like when they were ordered or how long ago they were ordered. So just find digital orders, and once you find that, then you will find all the digital orders that you've made. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.